How to open CBZ files in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So I have this sample CBZ file right here that I want to open. So to open this CBZ file, what you can do is to just simply right click the file, go to rename, and then what you want to do is to just change the extension into a zip file. So instead of it being .cbz, you can just make it into .zip. There you go. And then once you're done inputting .zip, just click on enter. After that, it will ask you if you want to change a file name extension. Just click on yes, and there you go. It is now a zip file. So what you want to do from here is to just simply right click the zip file and then just click on extract all, click on extract, and then there you go. The CBZ file has now been opened. So when I open up an image right there, as you can see that I have now accessed the content in the CBZ file. So there you go. So here is the folder right there, the extracted folder of the CBZ file. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open CBZ files on Windows 11.